Hi, welcome back to Sudaama's Vedic Mathematics for Beginners, Straight Division, example 2, part 2. Yes, we're just about to do, if I remember, turn it into a decimal. 65 remainder 56. For the calculation, 5321 divided by 81. So looking at step 4. What's happening in step 4? Okay, so we're just writing out most of the calculation again. Just getting rid of the 56 remainder there. And we had from previous end of step 4, we had a remainder of 6, which we carried over to the right side to make 61. So what we do now, step 5, is 61, which is a gross dividend. Take away the flag digit, which is always going to be 1, times by the latest flag quotient digit, which is 5. So 61 minus 5 is 56. Right, now that's what we had in step 5, wasn't it, last time? We're just basically doing that again. So then we need to take that 56 and divide that by the operator, which is 8, and we get 7 remainder 0, or 6 remainder 8. Okay, why are we using the 6 remainder 8? Because the 7 remainder 0 is just going to give us a little bit of, it'll still work, 7 remainder 0, but it'll just give us more, it'll be a little bit more awkward to do the calculations. That's why we do use 6 remainder 8 there. So we put the 6 in there, and then we need to prepend the 8 to one of those green zeros that we just wrote down. Okay, so we could have an infinite string of zeros there on the end of that, depending on the level of accuracy that we need. So our gross dividend now is 80. We need to subtract from that the flag digit, which is 1, multiplied by the latest quotient digit, which is 6. So that's 80, take away 6. That comes to 74. Right? And that's going to be the net dividend that we need to share by 8. So 74 divided by 8 comes to 9 remainder 2. Okay, so the 9 we put under the 0 and prepend the 2 to the other 0. Okay, so step 7, take the next gross dividend, which is 20, 20, take away the flag digit, which is 1, times by the latest quotient digit, which is 9. Now it's good to have a flag digit of 1, isn't it? Because it's just simple to deal with. Right, so that's 20 minus 9, which is 11. That's our net dividend, and we're going to divide, after we squash it up a little bit, divide that net dividend 11 by 8, and that comes to 1 remainder 3. So put the 1 under the 0, and as you can see, that's going to fly up there in a minute. 1, and prepend the 3 to the other 0 to the right of that. Okay, as I say, we could just have loads and loads and loads of zeros on the end, but we only need a few. Right, gross dividend of 30, take away flag digit times by the latest quotient digit, so that's 1 times 1. Nice, isn't it? So 30 minus 1 is 29 as a net dividend, which we need to divide by 8. 29 divided by 8, 3 remainder 5. You can see where it's going now. So 3 we put under the 0 and prepend the 5 to the other 0 there. Right, so our next gross dividend is step 9. Our next gross dividend is 50. So we need to take away 1, the flag digit, times by the latest quotient digit, which is 3. So that's 50 minus 3 leaves 47, which is our net dividend. Our net dividend we can then share by 8. 47 divided by 8 equals 5 remainder 7. Put the 5 in there, in the answer box underneath the 0, and prepend the 7 to the 0. 5, prepend that 7 now. Okay. He said, let's stop. He's getting tired. Let's stop the calculation there. We've done enough, he said. Let's just tidy up. You've got the idea. You could carry on forever. So 6.569135. So we don't even, that is the answer. We don't even have to tidy up anymore. That is it. The answer is 65.69135. Right? And it's fading out now. Right? So that was example 2 of straight division. Hope you can understand how to do this. Go away and practice by yourselves. And you just make up some calculations like this and have a go for yourself. But anyway, tune into example 3. I'm going to go through another example for us to make it easier. They say that repetition is the mother of learning. Okay, so I learned that the other day. Hope you're enjoying this. See you in a moment, hopefully.